In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your screen goes black after champion select in League of Legends. So to fix this issue, you first need to head over to the desktop on your computer. I'm going to click on the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Then click on the Task Manager window, and using the search box at the top, you just need to type in the word League. And then you need to close down all of the processes relating to League of Legends. So I'm just going to right click on this top one and select End Task. And that should automatically close down all of the related ones. We're then going to head back over to the search bar and also do the same for Riot. So I'm just going to right click on the Riot client and select End Task. So once you've shut down both League of Legends and the Riot client, you can head back over to the desktop. And then you need to locate your League of Legends shortcut. And what we're going to do is right click on League of Legends, select Properties, and then click on Compatibility. And make sure you have Disable Full Screen Optimizations ticked. And then press Apply and OK. You also need to do the same for the Riot client. So you can just right click on this, select Properties, click on Compatibility, and once again make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is ticked and press Apply and OK. Then lastly, you're going to head over to the C drive on your computer, and you just need to scroll down and find Riot Games folder and select this. Then click on League of Legends and scroll all the way down until you see League Client.exe. Then you need to right click on this, click on Properties, and also click on Compatibility. Once again, make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is checked and press Apply and OK. Then lastly, we're just going to head over to the game folder at the top. Find League of Legends.exe and right click. Click on Properties, select Compatibility, and once again make sure Disable Full Screen Optimizations is ticked. And then we can press Apply and OK. And now what you can try doing is reopening the League of Legends client, and that should have fixed any black screen issues you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.